what's up everybody? This is Ralphie and this is another edition of RP Fishing. Hey, wave your hands up in the air like you just don't care. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Cause this is old school fishing at its finest. Yep, I get the old red Procraft out there, the old electronics. I use the buoy marker. I just use brush piles that I know there, and I go out and catch a whole bunch of fish. As you'll see right off the bat, I catch a big one, but then after that, I'm catching a bunch of PR fish, you know. I have to give him heck. He gives me heck on his channel, so as you'll see on this one, I think the sun gets to me a little bit because it's like 91 degrees, and all of a sudden the old school songs start coming out of me and bringing back memories of the old school. But also, what happens on this video is really, really cool. It's like one of God's neat creations. I'm out there on the water and this cloud comes over me and it's like raining on me, like not real heavy but big drops, and 50 yards that way it's not raining, 50 yards that way it's not raining, 50 yards not that way it's not raining, but it's just raining on me right there. But during that time too, it's cool because I use one of the cool old school songs after I catch a crappie. So I do have fun on this one. I'm just cutting up, being Ralphie. And if you're new to the channel, hey, listen, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe button, or hit that subscribe button. And you know, I hope you like what you're seeing. A big shout out, hey, go check out my buddy's YouTube channel, NC Bassin. I saw him at Walmart the other day. I was running out of the OPD room to go get something off the shelf for a customer, and I passed him. I didn't even get the chance to talk to him much. I just told him, I said, I love your channel. So go check his YouTube channel out. It's NC Bassin. And also, you know, hey, prayers and thoughts going out to everybody. If you're going through something, I'm always praying for you. You know that because you know I love you. And you know God loves you. So always keep the faith if you're going through something tough. You know, He only puts on you what you can handle. And, you know, it's all in God's grace that, you know, the magnificent things that we see. Again, I hope you like what you're watching. Again, this is old school, and I'm sorry I lay into PR a little bit on this because he's been doing it on me. That RPF he does on his YouTube channel. So I give him a little grief on this one. Payback, buddy. But again, hey, thumbs up, subscribe, notification button. I'm Ralphie. God bless you. I love you, and this is where I say it. That's right, baby. I will see you on the water. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Let's go fishing. There we go. That's a decent. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. Keeper. Look at there. Oh, wait. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Look at that nice one. Old school crappie fishing here. Look at that Smithboro baits all the way in the back. Throw them back. Throw them back. I'm not keeping them today. Just having fun catching them on a hot summer day. That's a good one. Man, that one hit like a jackhammer. You can see that little bitty one, but fun. And that little ghost split tail. There he is. Oh, my buddy PR fish. Look at there. Little bitty one. Get around the big one. Right at the top of the water. Again, that's a little one though, but still fun to catch on that ghost color split tail. Smith Bro baits. Hot summer day, 91 degrees gonna be today. There's a good one. I thought it was. Fool me, fool me. There's one there. That one before it had some weight on it though. PR fish. Oh, there's a good one. There's a good one. There we go. Right in the brush. There we go. A decent one. Decent one right there. There we go. Out in the middle. 20 foot of water. There's one off to the side. Yeah, they off a little bit to the side where I threw that buoy. Here's another one, swallowed it. And we'll see if my philosophy is right. Little bitty one, but fun to catch. Old school. Not reading the depth finder as well over this. Yep, that's it. Look at there, that's a pretty one. A good snacker. There's a good snacker. There we go, right there. Good little snacker. There's one. Woohoo! That's a fun one. Yeah, that's a good one. There's a decent one. There's a decent one. Put him in the live well. Rub a little bit of that slime, crappie slime in there. That's a good eater side right there. That's good crappie snacks. Oh, yeah, there's one. There's another good one. There's another good one. There's another good one. Yes, sir. Trying to get that big and old school crappie fishing. All right, switching up baits. There it is right there, little tadpole, Smith Bro baits, 16th ounce jig head. I was using a split tail just a minute ago. I love this tadpole. We'll see if they hit it, okay? There's another one. There he is, got to shake it a little bit. Bump him on the head, shake it a little bit. Get him out of there. No monsters, but fun. Rub a little crappie slime on it. Help out a little bit. There we go. There's a good one. I think that might be a catfish though. Oh, I think that's gonna be a catfish. If it ain't, it's a big bass. It's a catfish. I can feel him rolling. Yep. He's laying in there with them crappie. He's laying in there with them crappie. He wanted some of that crappie juice. He puts all that booger slime on there. Yuck. Look at there. There we go, another little one. Right there on the ghost color. There he is. Uh-oh, what we got here? This might be, oh, this is a better one. This is a better one. Look at there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keeper size. That is a keeper size. And in a live scope, that's old school right there, buddy. Put him in. Baby, just a baby tap. That's why you need this light line and these light rig poles. You feel that little baby, like a brim bite, dip, dip, like that. Let me show you what I'm fishing. Alright, let me show you what I'm fishing right here. See, right there's the brush pile. That right there, the edge. Goes out a little ways, you know, right from here. And then I got my buoy set off just a little bit from it. You know, the brush pile goes out to there, but you know, it comes out through here. Like there's the front of my boat. And as you can see, right there's the brush. And it is just loaded. I mean, if it was, you know, wasn't no fish on it, you'd be able to see through it a little bit. But it's just completely loaded. Look at there. A little bit better one. Just a fun. There's so much fun, you know, catching. So much fun. Oh man. Look at that one. Nailed it. Look at there. That one hit it like it was wanting to go home. I might have to keep a few of these. Make some crappie fillets out of them. Crappie nuggets. Nice. There he is. He already had it. Yep, that water's starting to move again. Oh, that's a little bit better when the big ones are starting to bite. Big ones are starting to bite. The water's starting to move. God, it's great on this 5/6 rod, loose rod, 4-pound test. You know, decent crappie. It's decent, not monsters. Decent ones. I ain't live scoping today. Old school. Oh man, I might have me a decent one here. Oh yeah, that's a good white one. Oh, gotta love that action. Gotta love that action. These are not monsters. These are fun. Yep. Using that Smith Bros bait again. That little ghost colored. Lose 5/6 rod. You know, I got a fluger. I try to get the smallest one I can get. And I got, what's that, 4-pound test? Little 16th ounce head. It's beat all to crap. I don't know if it really matters, but I love those little black ones. 16th ounce head. There. One right after the other. One right after the other. They're eating that minter color. Love that tadpole. Love it. Love it. Oh, oh. Gosh, them are so good at eating. I should be keeping some. I'm in there. There you are. Old school action. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, that's one old school. We're going to put him in a live well. Just so he doesn't go back there. We're going to let him go in a little bit. I ain't going to keep all these today. Ain't got time to clean them. Got a lot of work to do. Let's throw this one back in there. Let's go into another old school. Here we go. Someone in. Oh, there he is. Everybody dance now. Bump, 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 bump. Everybody dance now. Crappie dance. Not a monster, but a fun one to catch on old school fishing. Little light line, finding brush piles, using a buoy. And there he is. It takes two to make things go right. It takes two to make them out of sight. It takes two to make things go right. That's a little baby crappie tonight. That's a baby crappie. That is like my little buddy PR. He catches these all the time. And he goes like, you know, he makes those big ones, or makes them little ones look real big because he holds it two things. He says, look at that monster. Ah! And that's how he gets it, you know, because he gets it all in his mouth and everything. But that's how he does it, because see, look how big this is compared to my bait. See how compared it is to my bait. And see, sometimes I think the heat's getting to me. But that's the old PR fish right there. See there? PR fish. Ah, eater! That's how he does it. He does it by fake illusion. dun 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 dun. Crappie, crappie baby. Dun 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 dun. Crappie, crappie baby. The sun is getting to me. I'll tell you, old school crappie fishing. There we go, baby. Don't throw another one back in. Dun 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 dun. Crappie, crappie baby. Oh, that was a good hit. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Woke up in the club with a crappie wanting to be caught. Yeah. Woo! Hip, hop, hibbity, hibbity, hop, hop. You don't stop rocking with the bang bang boogie. Say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogity crappie. Another PR monster. Look at that. I love messing with my buddy. Hey, y'all. Crappie rain, crappie rain. Can I ever hear everybody singing now? Crappie rain, crappie rain. So wave your crappies in the air. Crappie rain, crappie rain. It's raining out here. I'm hot. I'm thirsty. You know, coming from the artist right there, the one and only Ralphie. Crappie rain. Throwing that one back in. Got bit. There he is. Just eat it, eat it. I want to eat it, eat it. Woo! Tell me how funky, how strong is your fight? It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just eat it. Just eat it. Whew. Come on in the rain. Oh, I'm going after the rails on the crappie train. That's right. I'm going after the rails on the crappie train. Don't know too much of the regular part of the song, but I do know that. It's old school crappie day. It is raining like, there's like one cloud above me. It's crazy. I mean, it's like one cloud above me and then it's raining probably 50 yards that way. But if y'all can see, it's raining right here. Come on, old school crappie. Sorry for crappie fishing. Yeah, sorry for crappie fishing. That's right. Sun's getting to me, getting hot. All right. I'm gonna throw in there one more time. Okay. Come on. There you are. Oh, that was a little bitty one. For that one it is. It's an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Was the bathing suit she wore that day. Good Lord. That would be a monster if that was PR's. And if he was me, he might get one of them crappie slaps. Come on. There he is. Baby crappie, 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 baby crappie, 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 baby crappie, 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 baby crappie. Oh, crappie, 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 baby crappie, 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 baby crappie, 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 baby crappie. Smith wrote baits in the back. That was a new song, but I had to throw it in there because that was a baby crappie. It's not really a baby crappie. Bit eater. But there we go. And the battery's running a little low, so what a good time to go get a drink, put it on charge, and maybe come back out. Okay, so stay tuned for old time crappie fishing.